Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can view all of the likes that you have done from your Facebook account. This video will also include all of the comments that you have also done from your Facebook account. So let's see how to view all of the likes and comments that you have done from your Facebook account. So first you need to do is click on these three vertical dots present at the top corner of your screen. Now, once you have clicked here, what you can do is simply click on this settings gear option present at the top corner. Once you have clicked here, it will lead you to the settings and privacy page. Now scroll down until you see this particular option which says your activity. Under your activity, simply click on the activity log. In the activity log page, you need to scroll and here you can see this your Facebook activity option. Simply click on it and it will expand to give you other options. One such option is comments and reactions. Now, once you're in this page, you need to click on this manage comments and reactions button right here. Now, once you have clicked here, it will give you all of the likes that you have done from your particular account. It also includes all of the comments which you have commented from this account. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.